Alright guys, I'm going to be talking about something I found a little more mind-blowing than, or just as mind-blowing as the sum of infinities equal to negative 112. I found that, I was searching through YouTube and I found a video proving that the sum of infinity, right, the sum is called the sequence S1, the sum of the sequence 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 all the way to infinity. Not only can it equal to negative 112, but it can also equal to negative 1/8, alright? And we're going to talk about this negative 1/8 one right here. We already talked about negative 112. Let's talk about negative 1/8. And I thought this was a little more fascinating than, a lot simpler than negative 1/12, alright? And so, alright, let's get into the video, alright? So, if we had the sum, let's call it S1 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. We're going to keep going. Plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. Oh, I forgot 8 plus 9 plus 10. Alright, we're going to stop at 10. We're going to keep going on and on. Alright, now let's try adding stuff up, okay? So if we took these in portions, alright? If we took 2 plus 3 plus 4, we're going to put that in one portion. We're going to put 5 plus 6 plus 7. We're going to put that in another portion. We're going to put 8 plus 9 plus 10 in another portion, and etc., right? We're going to take them in portions of 3. So now, how would this work out? If we had, so we're gonna add 2 plus 3 plus 4. We're gonna have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What does that equal to? Well, it's equal to 9, right? 5 plus 6 plus 7. What does that equal to? That is equal to 18. 8 plus 9 plus 10, that's equal to 27, and etc., right? So we have 1 plus 9 plus 18 plus 27. And these are all factors of 9 right here. It's going to keep going down as factors of 9, right? 9, 18, 27, 36, all the way down, okay? And so if we have factors of 9, well, we can just distribute a 9 out of this, right? We can just take out a 9 out of all these factors. All right, here, let me include this S1. So then we have 1 plus, we're going to take out our little 9 right here. And it's going to be 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27. It's going to keep going on and on and on forever, right? Because it's infinity. So we have S1, which is this infinite sum right here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way down. Is equal to 1 plus 9 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way down, right? So this is kind of interesting right here. We have 1 plus 2 plus 3. Well, this is the exact same thing as this right here. So we can just substitute our little S1 right here into this, right? So we're basically multiplying 9 by this sequence right here. So S1 is equal to S1. And look what we have here. This is kind of interesting right here. We have S1 is equal to 1 plus 9 S1. And so we can subtract 9 on both sides. So let's do that. Subtract 9 on both sides. We have negative 8 S1 is equal to 1. And we're going to divide negative 8 on both sides of the equation. Equal to 1 over negative 8. And look what we have here. We have S1, which is equal to 1 plus 3 all the way down, is equal to, this whole thing is equal to this negative fraction right here, right? Oh, so ugly. It's equal to this negative fraction right here, and that is just fascinating, all right? Because how can these positive integers simply add up to a negative fraction, right? I find that really, really hard to believe, all right? So, maybe you guys can discuss this in the chat room. I might join in a little bit, but does the sum of infinity, does it equal to negative 1/12? All right, is it equal to negative 1/12? Or does it equal to negative 1/8? Which one is it, all right? Or does it not even equal to any of these? Does it equal to some infinite large number, all right? Well, I hope you guys discuss this in the chat room, and I'll see you there.